popular Pontiacs from 1999. Unfortunately, Pontiacs are no longer around. It makes this car even a little more collectible. 1999 Pontiac Trans Am WS6. This particular car is paint code 28U, which is going to be navy blue metallic. If you haven't seen a lot of these, there's a reason for that. There was 40 of these made in navy blue metallic convertible WS6s, so you will not see a lot of these cars out there. It has the taupe top, taupe leather interior. Wondering what the WS6 was? WS6 was a package from Pontiac. WS6 actually stood for wide suspension, 6 pieces. It was 4 stiffer springs and 2 thicker sway bars. So that's where the WS6 came from. The Ram Air, obviously, cold air intake dating back to the early years of Pontiac and General Motors for that matter. Very nice car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, miles are confirmed, a little over, I believe it's 45,000. When we slip around to the driver's side, we'll crank her up so you can hear it, check out the engine bay, and we'll check out the miles at that time. This is an automatic. That's paired with an LS1, would be underneath the hood in this car. 320 horse is what the WS6s were bumped up to. See, it's right on the Pontiac chrome wheels, which are in great shape. Check out the still pictures so you can check out the interior, engine bay, get a close-up of those wheels. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Paint has a nice luster to it. You might find a few little scuffs or nicks in it, but overall, very nice luster. The paint shows well, about what you'd expect out of a 20-year-old car already. It's hard to believe, 1999, and this car is already 20 years old, which in Minnesota would be collector status. It's very nice shape considering the age, and about 45,000 miles. See the interior, also very nice shape. This does have a power top. Power top works fine. The one thing I did notice, if you're familiar with these at all, they have a 3-piece parade boot, if you will, or top cover that goes on there. There's 2 plastic pieces that are on each side, and then there's one center one that kind of covers up the center of the top, and they came in a vinyl bag carrying case. I cannot find the middle piece in the back. Both side pieces are there, the middle piece is not. Just to give you the heads up on that, and I'll take some pictures of it so you can see those. And again, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call to 507-386-1726. Be happy to discuss this car with you, let you know what I know about it or what I've noticed picturing up and doing the video and everything. So feel free to give us a call. Of course, transportation, we can assist with that to where you're located at. We do consider trades, and of course financing is available. Again, 1999 Pontiac Trans Am WS6, a little over 45,000 miles on it, in navy blue metallic, quite rare color. In the WS6 convertibles, 40 of these made. Again, clean Carfax, no sign of paint work, no accidents indicated on the Carfax, confirmed mileage, no red flags raised by the Carfax. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. See that it's also in very nice shape. Again, taupe interior, taupe top. It's the carpeting, door cards, all stock and what you would expect. The 99 Trans Am. Let's go ahead and fire this up here a second. He's had an excellent sound to him, that LS1. Like I said, 320 horse. Here's your miles. Sorry, a little over 48,000, if you can see that. 48,267. I think I might have mentioned 46 before. As you can see, stock stereo. AC. AC does blow cold. Power top is down here. Automatic transmission. Stock dash. Steering wheel controls, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat, driver's side. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy, just a stock sound coming out of that LS1. A little bit of a rumble to it. These cars will get up and go. Not a lot of weight to them even in the convertible form. Much of this car was composite. I'll slip around here to the front. We're going to pop the hood, pause the video here a second, let you check out the engine bay, and see how tight it is underneath the hood. Alright, when I pop the hood, I wanted to flip the lights on, the fog lights on. So you see the lights do flip up, fog lights work, all that is in working order. This hood open. And here you go. There's that LS1, a very tidy engine bay underneath the hood. What you'd expect out of a 48,000 mile car. Everything appears to be in working order. Runs very smoothly. Oil over club technology. Fuel injected. AC, power steering, power brakes, all the goodies. Ram air intake. 320 horse. There you have it. Feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. And of course, check out those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we'll be happy to help you out with the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.